So they've asked us to find, let me first write the question, 2a out of 18 out of 6a plus 18 minus 4a. They've told us to find the value of a, which will make this whole thing undefined. And math is not really about solving problems and getting answers. It's very important that we first understand what some of the terms mean. What does undefined mean? If you have a fraction, 2 out of 0, 3 out of 0, and try to put it in a calculator, it's really impossible for the calculator to find the solution. Every time the denominator is equal to 0, that is what we call undefined. It's the denominator, right? That is what we call an undefined. If it's the numerator, that's a different issue. But every time the denominator is equal to 0, it is very hard for you to find the answer. You cannot find the answer to this. So they want a certain value of a, which will make this whole thing undefined. That means we want to find ways of getting 2a minus 18 out of 0. That is what we call undefined. So there is a certain value of a. When we put it in here, it will take us to 0. There is a certain value of a. When you punch it in, when you plug it in, it will give us a 0. So let's first find out 6a plus 18 minus 4a is equal to 0. We have to equate it to 0 and find what value of a, when we punch it in here, will give us a 0, which will make it undefined because it's a denominator. We did not choose the numerator, we chose the denominator because that's what undefined means. So let's try and solve. 6a minus 4a, you get 2a plus 18 is equal to 0. This positive 18, when it crosses to this side, it becomes a negative. So it's going to be 2a is equal to 0 minus 18. Realize that 2a is equal to negative 18. So 2a is equal to negative 18, divide by 2, divide by 2. So a is equal to negative 9, which is option B. So that means if we punch in 9 in here, it gives us a 0. Let's try and find out. I'm lacking space. I don't know what to do. Let me try and do it from here. Let me try and punch in 9 in here and we see if it gives us that. So it's going to be 6 times negative 9 plus 18 minus 4 times negative 9. What is 6 times negative 9? I think that's 54. It's a negative 54. 4 plus 18 minus 4 times negative 9 is a negative 36. Negative, so negative and negative, they add up. So we are going to have negative 54, 18 plus 36 is a 54. We realize that this is actually equal to 0. So the value of a, where we punch in and get it to a 0, where we get the denominator to a 0, is actually negative 9, which is option B.